Good morning. We'd like to thank Marianne Klaus from the Parkersburg Area Community Foundation for working with the ARC of the Mid-Ohio Valley to reach the goal of our capital campaign. And one of the great ways that the Parkersburg Area Community Foundation has supported us is by connecting us with a grant through the Welch Fund. And we are so pleased and honored to receive a check for $30,000 to help us reach our goal. Thank you, Marianne.
You're welcome. We're so excited that the ARC is undertaking this great effort to improve your facilities and to make your services more accessible for all those that you serve. And we're glad that the Welch Fund can support this important effort.
Yes. And so I'm not sure if you know this, but I wanted to share now that this check actually puts us at $100,000, which is a significant milestone in our goal. Our goal is $350,000, and we continue to receive grants and have other monies come in, but we're so excited to reach this step, and we're thankful to the Parkersburg Area Community Foundation, and of course to Mickey for making this fund and supporting so many people in the community with a special emphasis on helping with people with disabilities, which is, of course, who the ARC serves and works with and is proud to be a part of every single day.
Well, we're excited. Mickey's Fund has done so many great things in the community already, and will do that in perpetuity. And we're excited that it can be part of this important effort, and I can't wait to see the changes that you're able to make here through this fund and other support that you're receiving and will continue to receive from the community.
Thank you so much.